Money laundering is a subject. Money laundering is illegal, but in England it's quite legal. And I do this and nobody can say anything to me. Boiling water as well, with some soap. Make sure coronavirus doesn't get transferred to you. Quite legal. And for those of you outside the United Kingdom, no, it doesn't affect the money. It doesn't multiply it either, but it just cleans it. They are plastic. It's fantastic. The notes in England have turned to polymer, and it's quite legal to do money laundering like this. And it's not a problem at all. Nobody's going to come after you. It's quite legal. There you go. There you have it. England. The Queen is washed.